Begin. To draw faces, this is the simplest way to do so. You can use scribble drawing and make faces or draw faces easily. Draw the eyes and the mouth. And for the clouds, a variation of the scribble drawing, go around. Next, the letter C, you can draw by flattening it, and another variation for the clouds. And another phase here, one curve, another curve, and begin. Hope you can see it. So draw scribbles and eyes. Easy. Next phase is turn towards this side. You again start with the center, like this. One more curve, loop, curve, and just you can scribble it this way and draw the eyes and the mouth. Next phase, turn to the other side, one curve, then another curve, children love scribbling and they will like activities like this. And you can draw it in any color you want, black or any color of your liking. Or you can take black for the hair and brown for the face. Let me repeat this. One. And then again, you start from here. Yes. This curls. You have another one here, which you made as the first sample, but I was trying out, and this is how it looks with curl it. So I've already done, because when I did the recording, the Wi-Fi was low and it didn't get recorded correctly. So I'm doing it, overdoing it. Hope you like this and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.